Welcome in, everyone. I'm here with you with more warnings to talk about. We have a few tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings to talk about with you. First, let's go to a few more tornado warnings up here. Okay, we do have some information to pass along to you. It says southwestern Beetle County and northwestern Juliet County half dollar size hail and radar indicated rotation, but this storm has a history of producing a tornado. So definitely want to keep an eye on that. Needs to be a thunderstorm warning. No, that's not new. But this is new though. For North and Brule County, quarter size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds with that storm. Flooding is this severe thunderstorm warning for south central Hand and northeastern Buffalo counties for tennis ball size hail now. This is getting destructive hail, guys. 70-mile-per-hour winds as well. If you're in the storm, you need to take in shelter. I recommend you taking shelter because it is near the tornado warning. So, take shelter if you're not in it already. Just want to remind you all that we do have this severe thunderstorm watch till 9 p.m. this evening. Now we do have a special weather statement now, including winter for northeastern Melty, Trip, and northeastern Todd County until 4:15. Is that a flood warning? Yeah. Now we do have a flood warning now for until 9 p.m. this evening for northwestern Buffalo, southeastern Hughes, northwestern Hyde, northern Lehman, southeastern Stanley County. Again, until 9 p.m. Flooding is occurring in these areas. So, please don't turn around and don't drown in those areas. Back to the tornado warning now. If we don't have any other information to pass along to ya. So, this tornado warning is still in effect. This is moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. New severe thunderstorm warning, I believe, right here. northeastern Clayton and southwestern Grant County. Then this one that just moved out of Lancaster is for east central Grant County. This has a tornado possible tag, and this is for quarter-size hail, 60 mile per hour winds, moving east at 30 miles an hour. So, and then last warning we'll go through now. Southern Benjamin, southwestern Delaware County, 60 mile per hour winds is now in penny-sized hail, tornado possible tag. Seeing if we have any other information to pass along. Okay, we do have a new severe thunderstorm warning now. Says now a new severe thunderstorm warning. Now, let me get the information now. It says northwestern Aurora, Juliet, northeastern Brule County, quarter-size hail, 60 mile per hour winds, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Tornado possible tag is possible with that storm. So please be taking some shelter if you're in that warning. It's like right below that tornado warning. If this warning does go into a tornado warning, or it produces more hail, or we get any more severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, we'll cut back in. Right now, we'll send you back.